So hi everyone, welcome to Discover Natural channel. My name is Shola and I'm so happy to have you here. So I just literally got back from church. I took off my coat thing that I was wearing, but I got a lot of compliments about my scarf and I was like, okay, I got you. So I'm going to show how I tie this scarf. Also, I want to give a big shout out to a young lady that I met while shopping at the African grocery store today after church. Abina, shout out to you. And Abina is of she makes her own hair products, Ayurvedic hair products. She didn't tell me to do this, but I just thought I'd just do it. And it's a beauty natural hair Abby, and oh my goodness, I'm gonna give you more information about it, but you know what, let's just get more into this hair wrap situation. So to do this head wrap, you're going to need your scarf, of course, and then you're going to need hair clips. So this is the hair clips that I use. You can get them on Amazon. I'll drop the link for you, and or you can use bobby pin if you don't have these hair clips. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your scarf, make sure it's a big long scarf, and you're going to fold it like this in an horizontal way, like that. Then the part that is folded, you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it on your head, such like this. Once you've done that, you're gonna sweep the back. So the back, you're gonna cross the back across like this. Once you've crossed the back like this, you're gonna get your hair clips. So I'm gonna open up this hair clip like this, and you're gonna take the hair clip, move your ears, and use it to clip and hold that scarf, because we don't want that scarf falling off. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side, like that. Once you've done this, you can position this, you can move it out. I like having one of my twists hanging out, so I always like it looking like that. Once I've done this, the clip is making sure that the scarf doesn't fall off. Next, you're gonna take one side of the scarf. So this one, I'm just gonna continue twirling it like this. Once you've twirled it like that, what you wanna do is that you wanna take it and you wanna place it over the top of your head like this. So you're gonna place it like this and keep on wrapping until you get to the very end, and then just tuck it in at the very end like that. So just tuck it into your scarf, then take the other one. This is so simple, guys, and just wrap, swing it over, make sure it crosses but doesn't overlap on this side, and then you're just gonna keep on rolling it, roll it, and then sweep it. So you're just gonna keep on rolling it like that, and then sweep it like this. So when you get to this section, this is now where it becomes more fun. So you can keep on rolling it like that if you want to, and tuck everything in like this, or you can just tuck it in at the back. It all depends. You can make this style whichever way you want, and it looks so cute, so elegant. You can go to church, you can go wherever, and I absolutely love this style. It's really cute. Put on your earrings and you're good to go. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna leave more information. I'll be talking more about the Abina's products later on in another video, so don't forget to subscribe and watch our videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. I am starving. Talk to you later. Bye.